Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do now, I have this advice to leave a pineapple in a different way for when they have meetings with their family or friends and look very well presented, and everyone asks them how they did it. Is very easy, and as always you do not have to spend anything. Let's see what we have to do. We are going to take our pineapple and put it lying or on the side, and we will start completely in half as I show them in the video, keeping the seedlings above it, those that will give you to our presentation. Since we remove it, something is shown on the screen. We return to half to stay with a pineapple room. Be careful to leave it because you can slip and cause an accident. It will already be seen as follows. Remember to leave the plants above to present our plate, tray, or where we are going to put it. We take the knife again, and we are going to cut the entire fruit from one end and make a crescent without cutting the shell as shown in the video. If they could not do everything followed, just turn the pineapple and finish making the cut as I do on the screen. Since they finish doing it, the crescent will have on the pineapple shell, and there we are going to make vertical cuts more or less than 1 centimeter, and now you will see why. Since they finish making the cuts, take the pineapple and put it in front of you, and we will only interspecify the pieces that we cut so that they look as follows. At the end of this way, a small ship will be seen, and that their guests will love it, since it is a very original presentation and nobody will know how they did, and that it was very easy to do. As you can see, I also cut the other piece of pineapple here, and this is one of the ways in which they can present it. Either in a Play-Doh or on ice along with other fruits, or maybe resembling a lake or what I know. As I always tell you, you will already give your touch, and you will have much better. The advantage that pineapple has to serve in this way is that it is very easy to share, and we no longer end up dirtying more dishes to present it since they can grab it directly from the fruit as seen in the video. Apart from that, this way, it will be much more appealing to children, who are suddenly a bit fussy when eating different fruits. Remember that love is born. And do not worry about the other piece that they had left over, since just by putting such a plastic paper on it, it will keep it very well to eat it later, and present it again in this original way. As they could see, with just cutting the pineapple in a different way, they can make it look in a professional way by presenting it with their family or friends, and that they will love the children. And if they do not eat it before, believe me, that they will now eat it with pleasure. And the best of all is that we do not spend a single penny when splitting it in this way, since all we need was a large knife, and we didn't even get dishes to serve it. Do it, and tell me in the comments if your family or friends liked it. And congratulations to our subscriber Geraldina Arias Fredel, that today is his birthday. Receive a big hug of how I do. They know if they like this video, give him a little man, subscribe, share with all their family, friends, and acquaintances, like the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.